Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of Pulmonaria Silver Bouquet, a stunning perennial known for its unique silver foliage and early spring blooms. Whether you're a beginning gardener or an experienced plant enthusiast, this shade-loving beauty is a fantastic addition to any landscape. Stick around to learn more about its origins, care tips, and even companion planting. Did you know that Pulmonaria, also known as Lungwort, gets its name from the medieval herbalists who believed its spotted leaves resembled human lungs? They thought the plant could be used to treat respiratory ailments. While we now grow it for its beauty rather than medicine, it's still a fascinating part of plant history. Pulmonaria is native to Europe and Western Asia, where it thrives in woodlands and shaded areas. Silver Bouquet is a hybrid variety bred for its improved heat tolerance, longer blooming period, and striking foliage. It has quickly become a favorite in shade gardens due to its low maintenance and eye-catching silver leaves. Silver Bouquet is a compact, clump-forming perennial that reaches about 12 inches tall and 18 inches wide. Its narrow, silvery green leaves are slightly speckled and offer year-round interest. In early spring, it produces clusters of trumpet-shaped flowers that change color, starting as pink, then transitioning to blue as they mature. This color shift makes it a dynamic addition to any garden. To keep Pulmonaria Silver Bouquet thriving, planted in partial to full shade, it's perfect for woodland gardens, shaded borders, or under trees. It prefers moist, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially in hot weather, but avoid waterlogging. It's hardy in USDA zones 4 through 9, making it a resilient choice for many climates. This plant pairs beautifully with other shade lovers like hostas, ferns, and helleborus. Its silver foliage contrasts nicely with deep green or burgundy leaf plants, adding visual interest to any shaded garden bed. Plus, it's deer and rabbit resistant, making it a great choice for wildlife-heavy areas. One of Pulmonaria's unique features is its semi-evergreen nature. In mild winters, the leaves may persist year-round. It also acts as a pollinator magnet, attracting early-season bees and butterflies when little else is blooming. Plus, as it matures, it slowly spreads, forming a dense ground cover that helps suppress weeds. Silver Bouquet isn't just beautiful, it's also a great ground cover for shady areas, and an excellent border plant. It works well in cottage gardens, woodland landscapes, and even container gardens. While its medicinal use is mostly historical, it remains a favorite for adding texture, color, and biodiversity to shaded garden spaces. And that's everything you need to know about Pulmonaria Silver Bouquet. With its stunning silver foliage, shade-loving nature, and early spring blooms, it's a must-have for any gardener looking to brighten up darkened spaces. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant care tips and garden inspiration. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.